Now we are going to discuss employee liability insurance. The name is suggests the employer's liability. This is a liability on the employer. Employer is hiring to the people. If something happened to their employees, the employer is going to provide the compensation, provide the treatment, provide the rehabilitation of the people. So that is the liability on the employer, which is going to be fulfilled by the employer. If in a case the employer is not having the money, is not having the fund to help to the injured worker, so how he will fulfill his obligation, his duties? What is his actually liabilities given by the legal guidelines? So what employer will go to insurance company and he will do the insurance of his all workers. Something happening to the workers, in that case insurance company will come into the picture and they will give the compensation to the worker. So that's why it is known as the employer's liability insurance. Employer has given his liability to the insurance company. Obviously he has to pay some premium amount to the insurance company. Insurance company will come and ask how many people are working, what is the profile of the organization. After that they will do the insurance of the people. So employer has transferred his responsibilities, financial responsibilities in the case of any accident, incident, severe injuries or fatalities. He has transferred his responsibility to the insurance company. So you can write like this: employee liability insurance is the cover employer's liability in the event of injuries, fatalities, and work-related ill health to its employees and others who may be affected by their operations during accidents. So that's why it is the employee liability insurance has to be taken by each and every employer in the organization. In HSC also, more than 5 people are involved in any organization, so they have to take the employer's liability insurance. Now we ask why employer liability insurance required. We can write, as already we discussed, it ensures that any employee who sue his or her employer after the accident, they are going into the court, civil court, and they are going to sue their employer following an accident. After the accident, it is assured or they are assured of receiving compensation irrespective of the financial position of the employer in the civil court. They are 100% they have the guarantee that they are going to get some compensation amount. So that's why it is a employee liability, and employer only wants that he should have that this type of insurance, because if he gives some compensation, that the compensation cost cannot be calculated. In a small injury, it can be covered by first aid. If the injury is too severe, the compensation amount become very huge, which can that huge amount can change the financial position of the employer. So it is a benefited to employee that he is going to get compensation from the insurance company. Now the one question comes: who will be benefited from employee liability insurance? So it is very clear from the two explanation. The employer's liability is going to transfer to insurance company, so employer is going to be get benefited. And who is making ensuring? Because employee is going to get some compensation. He is sure because he already insured by the insurance company by this insurance method mechanism. So we can write very clearly both employee and employer both will be benefited from the employer liability insurance. Thanks.